Have you ever wondered how anger, a basic human emotion, can become a source of fear? Let's delve into a lesser-known yet significant phobia called angrophobia, the fear of anger. This is a real concern for numerous people, and it's not just about fearing someone else's rage, but it can also be about fearing one's own anger. Anger, while an entirely natural emotion, can transform into a source of terror for some. This fear doesn't emerge out of thin air. It can originate from a multitude of sources such as past traumas where anger has played a damaging role, negative associations linking anger to loss or pain, or even cultural beliefs that depict anger as a destructive, uncontrollable force. Understanding angrophobia requires us to unmask the many layers of anger and how it can transition from being a typical emotional response to an object of dread. As you can see, angrophobia is a complex issue with multiple layers to uncover. So, how can you identify angrophobia? What signs should you look out for? Well, angrophobia, like any other phobia, manifests itself through a variety of symptoms. It's not just about fear, it's about how that fear impacts your life. You may notice avoidance behavior. This means going to great lengths to avoid situations or people that might provoke anger. It's like walking on eggshells, always trying to keep the peace at any cost. Then there's the physical response. Panic attacks are common, characterized by rapid heart rate, shortness of breath, or even fainting. This intense fear can trigger an extreme distress when confronted with anger, even if it's not directed towards you. And let's not forget about the impact on relationships. The constant fear and avoidance can strain personal connections, creating a sense of isolation. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards understanding and confronting angrophobia. Now that we've peeled back the layers of angrophobia, let's summarize what we've learned. Angrophobia, the fear of anger, can originate from a multitude of sources, perhaps a traumatic event or an environment where anger was excessively displayed. This fear isn't just an aversion, it can manifest in debilitating symptoms that affect one's daily life. These symptoms may include anxiety, avoidance behaviors, and even physical reactions such as sweating or trembling. Recognition, though, is the first step towards treatment. It's crucial to identify and acknowledge these fears, to prevent them from holding us back. And remember, this isn't just relevant for those studying psychology. It's a vital part of understanding the human condition, and it's applicable to all of us. So whether you're dealing with angrophobia or any other fear, know that understanding is your most powerful tool. Remember, understanding our fears is the first step towards overcoming them. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.